Hello everyone, welcome to lecture number 2 of Computer Literacy for all FSSAI exam. So in this lecture we are going to discuss about the types of computer. Topics covered are types of computer based on principle of operation, and we will see types of computer based on configuration. What is the difference between types based on principle of operation and based on configuration? So I will explain you in detail in this lecture only. So if you haven't installed our application, rankingpedia education application, so install it, and all the upcoming lecture videos will be uploaded in YT class notes section only. And if you want to access free study material, then for that you have to visit study material column. So if you haven't subscribe our channel rankingpedia education. So let's start this video. So first we will see types of computer based on principle of operation. So now principle of operation, what does it defines? So computer comes in a variety of design for different purpose, like for different capabilities and cost. So based on the principle of operation, there are mainly three types of computer. What are these three types? First one is your analog computer, second one is your digital computer, and third one is your hybrid computer. Now coming on to the analog computer. So this is how an analog computer look like. So what is an analog computer? So these computers can perform numerous mathematical operations simultaneously by manipulating and processing the data that we just input, such as like your temperature, voltage and your power density. So these are the such inputs. If we give to these computer, they can perform a numerous mathematical operation through it, right? So this is all about an analog computer. Now what are these? Like an analog system works on continuous variable for the purpose of mathematical calculation, computation, right? So these result give by these computer is only approximate. So the result generated by these analog computer is approximate, since they deals with the quantities that vary continuously. As I have told you, these quantities are like what we give input, such as temperature, voltage and power density. Next one is your digital computer. Now what a digital computer looks like. So these computer works on the principle of binary digit system, that is 0 and 1, by counting, comparing and manipulating these digits. A digital computer can perform complex problems and give more accurate and faster result. So this is all about a digital computer. They have an increasing use in the field of design, research and in data processing. We use digital computers. So now digital computers are further classified as specific purpose computer, and second one is your general purpose computer. Now specific purpose computers are those that are used for specific applications, whereas your general purpose computers are used for different types of application, like they can store different programs and they can do different jobs according to the instructions specified on those computers, right? So this is the function of general purpose computer, whereas your specific purpose computer words are used for a specific application only. Now third one is your hybrid computer. Now hybrid computer, what does it means? So these computers are a combination of analog and digital computers, right? So these, what does hybrid computer looks like? This is the diagram. So these computers are a combination of analog and a digital computer. Hybrid computer is a perfect combination. As you can see, it is a perfect combination, right, of analog and a digital computer. It accepts analog signals, convert them to digital and process that in a digital form. This is what a hybrid computer does. It accepts the analog signals, convert that analog signal to digital signals and process them in a digital form. This is a function of hybrid computer. Now if you are preparing for FSSAI exam, computer literacy portion is very important, guys. Like your 10 to 25 question comes from computer literacy portion. So you can purchase this question bank from our website, or you can simply install our application, rankingpedia education application, and you can get this question bank from that application or from website. Now you can practice this mock test series. More than 20 mock tests for exam you will get over here in this mock test series as per syllabus of FSSAI exams. 500 plus most important MCQs that were asked in your previous year examinations for computer literacy portion are included in these mock test series. Price is just rupees 299. If you want to purchase this mock test series, simply you have to visit our website rankingpediaeducation.com, or you can download our application, install our application rankingpedia education from the Google Play Store. Now moving forward, we will discuss types of computer based on configuration. Now what does it means based on configuration? What does it defines? So a configuration, so as we all know, computer can be classified, differentiated on the basis of their physical structure and on the basis of their purpose of their use too, right? So based on their capacity, based on their speed, based on their reliability, they can be divided into the following, like digital computer has been divided into microcomputer, then next is mini computer, third is mainframe computer, and fourth one is supercomputer. This is based on their capacity, based on their speed, based on their reliability, right? So next one we will discuss first microcomputer. What are microcomputer? So microcomputer, this type of computer uses a microprocessor. Next is it is costless and are very small in size. Third point is microcomputers are also known as personal computer or simply PCs. So, and last point is some common microcomputers are your like laptop computers, your tablet PCs, handheld computers, embedded systems. So these are some common your microcomputers. Now coming on to the laptop computer. Laptop is also known as a notebook, right? So this is a perfect example of your microcomputer as they are very small in size. Your tablet PCs is the best example for microcomputer. Handheld computer, embedded system is example of microcomputer. Now next one is your mini computer. So what does a mini computer do? So these computers are bigger in size, have a higher speed, higher processing speed. They have a higher processing speed as well as they are bigger in size than microcomputer. So and they are also costlier than microcomputers. Mini computers are used in business, for business purpose you can use, in education sector they are used, and in many government departments they are also used. The first mini computer was introduced in the mid 1960s by DEC, that is Digital Equipment Corporation. It was introduced in mid 1960s. Next one is your mainframe computer. So now we will talk about mainframe computer. Mainframe computers, these computers are larger than mini computers. Mainframe computers are designed for multiple users and process the amount of data quickly. They process amount of data quickly and they are designed for multiple users. This is a mainframe computers. Mainframe computers are generally used in insurance company or in a manufacturer's company or in mail orders company, right? So mainframe computers process data at a very high speed, which is measured in millions of instructions per second. This is the very important property of a mainframe computer. Next is these computers are often used as a server that controls the network of various computers for a large companies. They are used for a large purpose. Last one is your supercomputer. Now, supercomputers are the largest computers. They are the most powerful, most expensive and the fastest computer in the world. These computers are also used by the government agencies for space exploration programs. Your large organization use such types of computer. Research laboratories use, large industrial units are being using this supercomputer. If I talk about government agencies like your defense sector, in defense sector agencies are also using this supercomputer. Now, these supercomputers are capable of processing trillions of instructions per second. This is the main feature, as they are larger computer than any other types. So this was all about types of computer. So we have discussed types of computer based on configuration, and we have discussed types of computer based on principles of operation. So this was all about in lecture number 2. Lecture number 2 notes will be uploaded in YT class notes section. So install our application Rankingpedia Education. We will meet in next class. Share this video as well. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you once again.